Alright, so I'll try to take a good video and explain everything as well as I can. So, the different dimensions, 1, 2, 3, I'll just stick with the basics, 4, 5, 6, and beyond. And these dimensions are infinite. Alright, so each of these are associated with different things. I'll start with just the physical aspect of it. So this is the third dimension. This is the 3D realm that we currently live in. So everything's 3D shapes. So, and then this would be 2D aspect, 1D. Those are just like mathematical dimension-wise. So this would be 2D. 1D would just be space, or just a point. 4D is the same as this square up here, except it goes into itself. So the fourth dimension is this little space going into itself. And then it just continuously goes in from there. So to reach the third dimension, which in meditation is from the third to the fourth or higher, you have to go into oneself, which is inside your mind, in the pineal gland that you're looking at. So then this would just be, the fifth dimension would just be what's inside this, is going from going inside to going inside. So it's almost like this squared, and then 6 would be, or not squared, times 2, or and then the sixth dimension would be times 3. Just going within and within. Kind of like, you know, when you see the picture of like someone's eyeball and you go into the pupil, and then you see like the veins, and then you go into the universe, and then you go into this another set of the universe, to the galaxy, and to the solar system, and to the earth, and to the land, and to the animals, and to the people, and to the face, and to the eye, back into the eye, and it starts all over again, except the process is technically infinite. Alright, so that's just the mathematical side of this. Now we'll go on to what dimension lies with what and how they communicate. So, third dimension, we're able to see and talk to everything up. So we can talk, see, and communicate with everything up. Just as like we talk to, I'll just go ahead and show you what level plants are on. So this is a living organisms. So animals reside here, but then you have some incomplete animals, such as snails, who don't have developed brains yet, and various like microorganisms that don't necessarily communicate and show affection towards another, but they do communicate. So we can see, we can talk to plants, we can talk to animals, we can talk to these smaller animals, and it does affect them whether we portray hate or love. So with plants, you can talk to plants, and it's been proven that when you sing to your plants, talk to your plants, they grow. And it's not just because of an oxygen increase. There's this Asian dude, I'll give you his name whenever I find it. I think it's Hiro, I can't remember. I'll look it up. I know it's. He does this water experiment, and the same water experiment is done with plants. And if like you portray hate towards the plants, they don't grow as well. They start to die, actually. As well as the forming of ice. Whenever this guy yells at the water, when he yells at the water, the ice is like very deranged, scary looking. And then whenever he says like "I love you," it's like really awesome, like snowflakes. So back on track. So we can see plants, animals. And then 1D are rocks. These are non-living, but they do provide, so you have rocks, gems, and like even the cushion of the seat, the metal, everything non-living is in this first